How to add a credit card on OnlyFans 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a credit card on your OnlyFans payment option. So first of all, you need to come to the official website of OnlyFans, and then you have to just log in to your account, and then you just have to simply click on the profile icon of yours, and then you just have to click on the settings option from here, and then you just simply have to click on the add card option. And when you click on the add card option, there will be this interface. As you can see, the country, state, address, city, zip, postal code, you have to give all of that, and the name of on the card, and give the card number and the expiration and CVC. You will have to complete all the information with the information you have on your credit card. And after that, you have to just tick here to confirm that you are at least 18 years old and the age of majority in your place of residence. And then you just have to simply click on the submit button, and that's it. That's how you can add your credit card to your OnlyFans payment options. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.